Yes. So today we are going to use balls. We are going to use balls. But we're going to use balls that we don't throw.
Yeah.
Because we're engineers, and engineers don't throw the balls. That's our secret, okay? Engineers don't throw the balls that we work with. We don't play with them because we're serious engineers, okay? All right. Okay, so.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I like Weaver a lot. My boyfriend told me that so I went like last night to do that everybody was so friendly and I was like,
Hey, y'all watch. You think it's gonna knock that over? It went right past it. Wait, I'm going to start. All right. Let's try. See if it knocks it over. No, it didn't.
Very clever engineer. I am much needed in every sphere. Science to me is very dear. I study it for many years. Whether civil or mechanical, computer to any discipline I may belong, my knowledge is very strong. I design and make machines that do your work fast and clean. Dams, roads, and canals I design. Electrical systems are designed by me, also computers and their parts you see. I work with all kinds of chemicals too, that are so useful to you. I carry out maintenance and repair of the latest technology. I am aware. I may work in a big industry or on my own little factory.
Alone if you